Welcome to this comprehensive guide on comparing CreditSaint money-back guarantee with its alternatives. In this tutorial, we will break down the key concepts, provide practical examples, and offer best practices to help you make informed decisions. First, let's understand what a money-back guarantee is. A money-back guarantee is a promise made by a company to refund your money if you are not satisfied with their services. CreditSaint is a credit repair company that offers a money-back guarantee to its customers. Now, let's compare CreditSaint's money-back guarantee with its alternatives. The alternatives include other credit repair companies such as Lexington Law, SkyBlue Credit, and CreditRepair.com. While these companies offer similar services, their money-back guarantees differ. CreditSaint's money-back guarantee promises a full refund if you do not see any improvements in your credit score within a certain time frame. On the other hand, Lexington Law offers a satisfaction guarantee, which allows you to cancel your services at any time if you are not satisfied. SkyBlue Credit offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, while CreditRepair.com offers a similar guarantee. When comparing these alternatives, consider the following factors. First, look at the length of the guarantee period. A longer guarantee period may indicate a higher level of confidence in the company's services. Second, check the conditions for eligibility. Some companies may require you to meet certain conditions before you can claim a refund. In practice, if you are considering CreditSaint's services, you should also research its competitors to determine which one offers the best money-back guarantee. For example, if you are looking for a longer guarantee period, you may prefer SkyBlue Credit's 90-day guarantee. On the other hand, if you prefer a more flexible cancellation policy, Lexington Law's satisfaction guarantee may be a better option. In conclusion, when comparing CreditSaint's money-back guarantee with its alternatives, consider the length of the guarantee period, the conditions for eligibility, and the overall value offered by each company. By doing your research and understanding the terms and conditions of each guarantee, you can make an informed decision that meets your needs and budget. Remember to always read the fine print and ask questions before signing up for any credit repair services.